In this video, you'll learn how to fix login issues in Kimi AI. This guide will take you through several steps to troubleshoot and resolve common login problems. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, locate the browser icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click to open it. This action will display your browser's home page. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see three vertical dots which represent the menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. After that, from the drop-down menu, select Privacy and Security. This option will take you to a new screen that shows you several privacy settings related to your browsing experience. Once you are on the Privacy and Security page, find and click on Clear Browsing Data. This option will open a dialog box with settings that allow you to manage your browsing data. In the dialog box, you will see multiple options for clearing data. Make sure to select the checkbox for cached images and files. This step is crucial as it helps to resolve issues related to outdated cache that may prevent you from logging in. After selecting the appropriate checkbox, click on the button labeled Clear Data. Depending on the amount of cache data, this process may take a few moments. You should see a confirmation message once the data has been cleared successfully. Now that your cache has been cleared, return to your browser and open a new tab. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kimi AI and press enter. This action will navigate you to the Kimi AI login page. Once the Kimi AI login page loads, enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct. If you encounter any error messages, check your input for any typos or incorrect information. If you still experience login issues after verifying your credentials, consider checking your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for accessing online services smoothly. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Now you have successfully navigated through the process to fix login issues in Kimi AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.